Hi, my name is New. Today is December 3rd, 2017. This is my video in regards to measuring respiration values at rest and during exercise, but we're going to do part one, which is basically at resting. So the first step of it is that you're going to sit quietly. You're going to use a stopwatch to measure your breathing respirations for 30 seconds. So I do have my timer here. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to count it off first to see how many cycles of my respiration am I breathing within the 30 seconds. Okay, so 30-second is up. So my respiration count for that was at 6 respirations. So then what we're going to do is we are going to now get your balloon. I have some tape here as well to help me with measuring it. So basically what we're going to do is I'm just going to breathe normally into this balloon. And then once I breathe in on it, we're going to measure the balloon to see how much of centimeters that I blew up for it. Basically what it is just to measure like the exhaling of the force of the lungs when we're pushing it out. So then I am going to just blow into it. So with the one force, you're just going to turn it right up here, and then you're going to kind of just twist it so the air doesn't leak through, and then you're going to use your ruler, which what I'm going to do is I'm simply just going to tape it in an area so that I can measure it, just like that. So we're going to measure it all the way around, and it is at right over here to 47. Okay, so then once you record it, you're gonna repeat it again. We're gonna repeat it again. We're gonna do it as 3 trials, and once we do all of our 3 trials, we're gonna put it into our lab form so that way we could do our calculation. So basically how we're gonna calculate it is that we're gonna calculate the regular calculate and record the average circumference of the 3 trials together. So what we're going to start off with is just to calculate the average radius of the balloon by dividing the average circumference from average of trials by the 2 or by 6.28, which is approximately equivalent to the 2. So it'll be circumference and then divided by the 2. And then the next step would be to calculate the average volume of the balloon. This is a tidal volume of 1 average breath in each centimeters, which is the same as an ml. So you could do that as well, which will be volume 4 pi r to the 3rd divided by the 3. And then you'll multiply the tidal volume at rest in mLs by the average number of breaths you take per minute divided by the product by 1,000 to get the tidal volume per minute in liters. This is your minute ventilation, and then once we do all that, then we could record it into our tables and then go from there. And this is my video. Thank you for watching.